show you one of my favorite holiday recipes. This is super quick, super easy, and very, very good for you. Also, something that a lot of people might enjoy, and it looks like a really special salad. I feel like it is. It's really yummy. And I only get to eat it around the holidays because it's the only time that pomegranates are in season. So this is my pomegranate salad. I have the seeds of 2 pomegranates here in this bowl. And I'm gonna take 1 large banana. You know, this is a pretty big banana. If you could also do 2 smaller bananas. If you like more banana in it, you could put more in it. Really entirely up to you. That's the beauty of this. You're not gonna need any measuring cups or anything like that. So I'm just gonna take the banana, and I like to slice it a little bit small. I mean, you could do bigger pieces if you wanted to, but I like to do it smaller because the pomegranates are smaller, the pomegranate seeds. And so I just like things to be close to the same size so that you get a bite of everything in every bite. So sometimes I'll just cut maybe half of a banana, and I'll measure that with, 3 ounces of pomegranate, and I'll put 3 ounces of banana in for a fruit serving at any meal. But if I'm going to take this to like Thanksgiving dinner, so to speak, like I'm going to do next week, and then this is how I would do it. Put a big batch together so that other people can enjoy it with me, and then I'll just measure out 6 ounces of that at my meal time. So I'm just gonna mix this together a little bit really quick. So what I really love about this is you get the red from the pomegranate, and then the bananas are kind of white, and then we're gonna add a little bit of green, so we get all of the Christmas colors in there. With a lime, I like to just roll the lime a little bit just to start getting some of the juices going a little better, so I get more juice in my pomegranate salad. I'm going to take a zester. Actually, I don't have a zester, so this is just a tiny grater, which works just as well. And just get as much of the zest off of the lime as possible. Adds really great flavor, as well as just gives it those little flecks of green in there, so it makes it look really extra special. I have people in my extended family who kind of run from anything that I might bring to a meal because they're like, oh, it's me. And anyway, too bad for them because they haven't even tried it, they don't know. But some of those people will actually eat the salad and actually love it and have started asking me, are you going to bring that pomegranate salad again? So, really good. Because this lime seems to have quite a bit of juice, I'm only going to put half of it in. If it was one that wasn't very juicy, then you could do the whole one. Or if you don't like as much lime, do less. If you like more lime, do more. Okay, just give that a little stir. And we are done. Isn't that beautiful? And a really great thing about this too, even though it has the bananas in it, the bananas are not going to get super brown because of all the lime juice. It's going to preserve it. So you've got a couple of Although I do like to prepare it if I'm going to serve it at a holiday meal. I will prepare it just before we serve the meal, so to make sure that the bananas are as fresh as possible. But just for me to eat at a regular meal on my own by myself, I would eat this for 2 or 3 days.